Hey guys, this is Fantasia from the Mastery Math Lab, and today I'm going to be going over how to check solutions in equation with restrictions. So here we have a problem that says which of the following values for x equals 2 and x equals negative 3, are solutions to log of x plus log of x plus 1 equals log of 6. So here we have restrictions with log functions. So if we think about our graph of a log function, it'll look something like this, and it has a vertical asymptote at x equals 0. And you can see all of our values of x are greater than 0. So our x values have to be greater than 0. And that applies to anything that's in the parentheses of our log function. So here we have a log of x, so it's just x has to be greater than 0. But when we have log of x plus 1, it's not just x that has to be greater than 0, it's the whole thing. X plus 1 has to be greater than 0. So when we plug in our values for x, the x equals 2 and x equals negative 3, we have to make sure that everything inside the parentheses is greater than 0. So when we plug 2 into both of these values, we get 2 is greater than 0, which checks out, and 2 plus 1 is greater than 0, which will be 3 is greater than 0, which also checks out. So that means our x equals 2 is a solution. Now let's go ahead and check x equals negative 3. If we plug in negative 3, we get negative 3 is greater than 0. And that does not check out. So we don't even have to go ahead and check the other one. If it doesn't work in one of our parts of the equation, we can't use it as a solution. So we're not going to include x equals negative 3. So then our only solution to this equation is going to be x equals 2. I hope that helps, and if you still have trouble with this concept, feel free to reach out for additional help. Thanks for watching.